Richmond American Homes is one of 4 builders who are currently building in the master plan community of Trailmark. I am standing in the Palm model, which is one of their model homes available to view here, but they have one available for a killer price. So let's walk this floor plan and then see the potential of the savings. Let's go. Okay, so before we go upstairs, we get too excited, make sure you liked and subscribed. Just want to drop that in there. But I really like this floor plan. So I actually sold this floor plan to a buyer, and I've also sold it from a seller perspective. I just love the layout and how you can actually do this modern, minimalistic kind of furniture styling. And also, Trailmark is a gas community. So you do have your gas stove, and if you want to change this into a range instead of a microwave, because no one's doing microwaves nowadays, we all have air fryers. But we have that available to you. You actually have like a walk-in pantry, so it's not one of those rinky-dink little closet ones too. But I love how there's like the perfect sized coffee station. I don't know what they're doing with that one over there. But natural light for days. And of course it's on a water lot, so it has more reflecting off of the water. But this floor plan is beautiful. And I love how there's a downstairs area, so that if you have family who has to stay for you, maybe an in-law has to stay with you, or an older child you don't want to have a wall sharing with, this is a great option. But let's go upstairs. Now, because it's that time of year, let's talk about some incentives that they're offering here in Trailmark with Richmond American. Well, they're actually talking about enclosing that space for you. So the model shows a patio that's completely enclosed and screened in. That is something, one, you can always negotiate, but two, they are offering it right now as they're towards the end of the year, and also they might just happen to have it available in Q1 as well. But you didn't hear it from me, okay? Also, they're offering blinds. I'll let you know, blinds are very expensive. I don't have blinds on my house. Don't be a creep and drive by my house, but I don't have blinds on it. Some of them I have the plantation shutters, but they are a very nice expense not to have as soon as you're moving in. Also, they have great incentives on their rate buy down and closing cost incentives, and not to mention those really great deals I told you about. There's the Palm model that's actually available right now under $500,000. All of this under $500 in Trailmark, an amazing community that you're clearly looking up to move into. But this is a beautiful floor plan that kind of gives you that living space while also having that bonus room, whether you need it for an office, a family member, an older child, or possibly you guys just are ready to have your own rooms. I don't know, some families are like that. And they also have multiple other floor plans. So if the Palm isn't really singing your name and you're more of a one-story person, or you're maybe, I need a little bit more space, especially downstairs, maybe having an office and an extra room, they have a lot of other opportunities with floor plans here with Richmond American. But not only them, there's 3 other builders to consider, whether it be Lennar, Drees, or Dreamfinders. You have a ton of options here in Trailmark. And if you have any questions about those options, my link is in my bio. We should probably have a conversation and we'll talk about some of those options that you have. But relocating to a new area, whether you're local, moving down the road, or maybe you're moving out of state, it is a big deal trying to find the perfect neighborhood, the perfect community, the perfect builder. And a lot of that comes down to making sure that you have the perfect agent, I guess, if I'm gonna be super tacky in saying that, someone who truly understands what you're looking for and knows the area inside and out as a local perspective of what's happening right now and what's to happen in the future as well, because that also matters when you're purchasing and moving to an area. So if you have some of those questions and you'd like a local perspective, let's talk. Let's have a conversation, no strings attached. I promise if you followed me and you liked and subscribed, we most likely will be great friends. But my main concern is making sure you save the most money and you find the perfect location for your family. That is the true heart of why I do what I do, is really to make sure that you guys are rooted in my hometown. But I would love to be your personal tour guide here in my hometown. But until next time, my name is Demi Judd. I am with Keller Williams and I'm here to help becoming a local in no time. Bye.